Colors have the power to evoke emotions and influence our behavior. Warm colors such as yellow, red, and orange are particularly potent. They're like the life of the party, energetic, attention-grabbing, and impossible to ignore. But these colors aren't just about creating a lively atmosphere. They're cleverly used to stimulate more than just your visual senses. It's a fascinating journey into the world of color psychology, but it goes beyond aesthetics. These colors can actually impact our physiological responses, including our appetite. Research suggests that warm colors can stimulate the brain and increase our heart rate, creating a sense of urgency. This isn't just a psychological effect, it's a physiological one. When our heart rate increases, our bodies interpret it as a sign of excitement or stress, often leading to feelings of hunger. Fast food chains have capitalized on this, using vibrant reds, yellows, and oranges to subtly encourage us to eat more and more often. Fast food restaurants strategically use these colors to trigger a sense of urgency and appetite in their customers. Let's take a closer look at yellow. This sun-kissed hue, often associated with happiness, positivity, and warmth, is a master at grabbing attention and stimulating mental activity. Imagine the golden arches of a famous fast food chain or the zesty pop of a lemon on a food ad. These aren't random design choices. Fast food restaurants cleverly use yellow to generate excitement and anticipation, triggering our taste buds before we've even taken a bite. When incorporated into fast food branding, yellow can create a sense of excitement and anticipation, making us more likely to crave that delicious meal. Now let's talk about red. This color is a powerhouse in the world of fast food branding. Red is often associated with passion, energy, and, crucially for our appetites, a sense of urgency. It's a color that commands attention, raises our heart rate, and stimulates our physical response. Red is like the starting gun at a race, prompting us to act quickly and decisively. In the realm of fast food, red not only stimulates our physical response, but also encourages a sense of urgency and excitement, making us more likely to indulge in a quick, satisfying meal. Last but not least, we have orange. This warm and inviting color is often associated with comfort, approachability, and even hunger. Psychologically, orange is believed to stimulate our appetites and create a sense of homeliness, making us feel more at ease. Fast food restaurants cleverly utilize this color to create an environment that feels friendly and inviting, while subtly coaxing our appetites. In the fast food industry, orange plays a crucial role in making us feel at ease while enticing us to satisfy our cravings. So, the next time you find yourself enticed by the vibrant colors of a fast food restaurant, remember that there's more to it than meets the eye. The psychological impact of colors like yellow, red, and orange goes beyond aesthetics. They stimulate our brains, increase our heart rates, and amplify our feelings of hunger. Fast food chains strategically use these warm tones in their branding to trigger a sense of urgency and appetite. The strategic use of yellow, red, and orange is a carefully crafted design choice aimed at enhancing your dining experience and perhaps making your mouth water a little faster.